The answer is the song. The answer is the song Repossible.
We gather here tonight to celebrate the life of Samantha Johansson. Samantha was an avid reader. She read all of the Harry Potter books several times over. She watched Netflix series. She didn't just watch that Netflix series, she watched all of the Netflix series. She consumed, she sought answers, brought them in. She pulled everything in from external. And she gathered the stories of others, and she had so much inside her. Yet tonight, as we celebrate her life, we don't know her story. She didn't exhale her own story back out. And now, she can't do it because, of course, she's dead! Poor Samantha. Wayne Dyer said, "Don't die." There's more, it gets better. Oh, that's a good tip already. Don't die with your music still inside you. My name is Bradley Charbonneau, and this is Create. Since November 1st, 2012, I have created every single day. I take in, sure, I consume, I inhale it all, but I exhale it through writing. And writing has become the exhaust vent of my soul. And yet so many of us pull it in, we watch, we listen, we take it in, we collect, and yet it builds up, it festers inside of us. It could turn into disease if we don't give it some air and let it out and exhale and be the wind in our own sails. The poet Maya Angelou said, "A bird does not sing because it has an answer. A bird sings because it has a song." Each one of you has a song. Now, we're not shooting for the latest series on Netflix. We're not striving towards the 484-page novel of your life that you're never going to finish anyway. We're talking about the song, letting out the song on a regular basis, a small chapter of your life that you exhaust, that you exhale to fill those sails. Samantha Johansson is no longer with us. She collected, she did everything right, she was seeking the answers, but all of the answers she was seeking were from without. And yet, the answers come from within. And we need to create them. We need to allow them to escape us. The exhaust vent that breathes life into our bodies. Back and forth, in and out. Tonight, we gather here to celebrate life. Yet not the life of Samantha Johansson. Her life is over. She died with stories still inside of her. Yet we have the opportunity to let those songs be heard, to sing our own songs, to tell our own stories. And the beauty of this is that the best person to do this is you. And here's one secret of creators. The best audience is always with you. The best audience is at the same time your worst critic and your biggest fan. And that audience member is you. Now, tonight we celebrate the life of someone else. Not Samantha. Tonight we celebrate the life of you. All you need is a story. All you need is your story.